Alright guys, so this little hose here, this vacuum hose, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. It's just got down here, it's got like a clip you got to pull out, and then this comes off right here. I'm going to go ahead and get this air intake hose out of my way. And then down here, you got to press it together. You can just pull that right off of there.
What's on this side?
This little vacuum hose here, I broke it on this end. Real brittle. I break more things than I fix half the time, but I just duct taped it up for the time being. But we're going to try to fix this here today. You can buy these hoses offline or whatever at the dealership, at a Chevy dealership. I went ahead and bought a heater hose, I believe is what it is. Alright guys, to get this old hose off here, off these fittings here, I'm trying to save these. I just took a razor or a utility knife and just scored the old hose, and it seems to be breaking off there fairly easy. So there it is right there. Alright folks, we'll go ahead and take and put this end down here back on. Go ahead and try to get it ran back around through here. Alrighty. Once you get it ran around there, go ahead and get a utility knife or something to go ahead and cut your hose with to length. Bought a little extra when I picked this piece of hose up so I didn't mess it up and it be too short. Yeah, you can get that put back down there and should be able to pop your clip back in place. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple zip ties and tie that up. Alrighty folks, there's our vacuum hose zip tied up, so that should work better than what we had anyway. Now we'll go ahead and put our cold air intake back on here. Alrighty guys, well this pretty well wraps up this here little video, so I hope it was somewhat helpful to you. And as always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Hope you can hit that big thumbs up down there for me. We'll catch you guys on the next one.